Write the trigonometric expression secant of theta in terms of sine of theta when theta is in the first quadrant. First, secant of theta is the reciprocal of cosine of theta, which is 1 over cosine of theta. We want the right-hand side to be in terms of sine of theta only. So how do we relate sine of theta to cosine of theta? The identity that we want to use is cosine squared of theta plus sine squared of theta equals to 1. And so cosine squared of theta is 1 minus sine squared theta. Cosine of theta is plus or minus the square root of 1 minus sine squared of theta. Since theta is in the first quadrant, we know that cosine of theta is positive, and so cosine of theta has to be the square root of 1 minus sine squared of theta. And so we replace cosine of theta in the denominator with the square root of 1 minus sine squared of theta. And yes, 1 minus sine squared of theta is cosine squared of theta, but we do not want to write it in terms of cosine of theta because the question asks us to write this secant theta expression in terms of sine of theta. This is in terms of sine of theta.